Hi everyone, my name is Rainesh. I'm a sales engineer here at Soft Solutions, and today I want to take a little bit of time out to show you guys the new dashboard view in the Enable RMM solution. Now most of you guys would have seen by now that there are multiple dashboards within the RMM. If you click on the side nav bar over here, you can see all of the new dashboards. Just go through them quickly here. First of all is the overview dashboard, where you can click on important information about all of your devices at a glance. You can see all of this information and some handy pie charts. If you were to click on the pie chart, it's going to take you through to a custom view of those machines within the dashboard. You've also got the active issues dashboard, where you can see at any given point of time all of the active issues across your dashboard, and you can spend some time working through them, clearing the checks up. You've got your unmonitored devices dashboard, where you can see across your dashboard which of the devices that are connected to devices that have already got agents sitting on them, which ones aren't monitored, and this is handy so that you can tell your customers that you need to be monitoring these devices, so you're going to be putting agents on them. Now the newest dashboard is the monitored devices dashboard. I really like this new feature because you can go into it and apply filters across all of the devices in your dashboard. It's a really good way for resellers to granularly see what devices they have in the dashboard at any given point of time. You would find this feature handy in scenarios such as if you need to know the different types of devices you manage, or need to quickly see at a glance which devices are being monitored on a particular site. Say for example, if I click on Soft Solutions here and I need to know about all of the Mac devices that I'm supporting at Soft Solutions, I just put in the laptop filter here and put in the Mac OS filter here, and I can see all of the Mac devices that I'm monitoring at any given point of time. So that is just a little bit about the new dashboard. I hope those of you who are currently using the Enable RMM decide to use it now after seeing this video. I wanted to finish this video with a recommendation for you to watch the new Kong vs. Godzilla movie. It didn't have the best storyline, but it's a giant gorilla fighting a giant dinosaur, so the action scenes are of course going to be epic. Thank you so much for your time.